Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kakonda and today our topic will be measurement data. So, our objective today will be understanding how to use line plots to answer questions. So, I'm sure all of you know what line plots are. If you don't, I'm just going to give you a small idea. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It basically looks like a number line. And then up here, there are going to be crosses, dots, different kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to use these to answer questions. So let's get started. So this line plot right here shows the age of students in the party. So right here, we're looking at that. We're looking at a school party. And then we see people here. So we're gonna use this line plot so we have 3 and 7, 8, 1 person that's 8 years old, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that are 9, 2 people that are 10, and then 1 person that's 13. Probably someone's brother or something. Okay, so we're gonna use that. So how many students were at the party? That's our first question. So we know that each X or cross represents 1 person. So we're going to count those. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So 12 students were at the party. That's our answer for that question. Now let's go to the next one. Next, our question is, what is the most common age? So that means that what is the age that most people are? So let's go back here and let's look at this. So obviously we see that 9 has 5. 9 has 5 X's. That means 5 people are 9 years old. So that is going to be our most common age. So our most common age is 9. Most common age is 9. Is 9. There we go. That's our answer. Now, let's go to the next one. How much older was the oldest person than the youngest person? So, first, to answer this question, we need to find who's the oldest and the youngest person. So let's go back to the plot, the line plot. So we have 1 person, that's 13 right here. And then our youngest, we have 3 people that are 7. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to compare their ages. So here, what we'll do is we'll subtract. How much older was the oldest person than the youngest person? So our oldest person was 13. Our youngest person was 7. So we will subtract those numbers. So 3 minus 7, we can't do that. So we're going to send 1. And then this becomes 13. Pretty much the same question. 13 minus 7 equals 6. So our answer here is 6. The oldest person is 6 years older than the youngest person. So that's going to be our answer. You can box that. Okay, so that's our answer. Now, let's do our next question. So, we have, what is the outlier? So if you have used a line plot or solved the problem with the line plot before, you know what an outlier is. If you don't, well, you'll learn right now. So, let's go back to our line plot. Here, as you can see, most ages are between 7 to 10. Everyone is between 7 to 10. And there's this one person that is 13. So that is like the most different from all of these ages. So that is why our outlier is going to be 13. So an outlier means the number that is completely different or really far from the others. So the outlier is 13 years old. So that's our answer. Okay, so now it's problem time. So, first off, take a look at this line plot. Study this for a minute. You can pause the video if you want. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some questions, and you guys should pause the video and answer those questions using this line plot right here. So, first off, we have how many students were part of the survey. So, I have showed you how to count that. So, use this line plot to answer that question. Pause the video and then try it out. Okay, so all you're going to do to find that number is you need to count the number of x's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16 people were part of the survey. So we're just going to go here and then write that down. 16 people were part of the survey. That is our answer for this question. Now, next we have, what is the most liked number? So that means which number has more people that liked it. So we're going to go back here. So you guys find out which one is the most liked number. Okay, so now, obviously you really don't need to count stuff for this problem. You just need to look at which one's the tallest. Obviously 7 is the tallest. If you want, if you're not sure, you can count. 4 has 1, 5 has 1, 6 has 2, and then 7 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8 has 1, 9 has 2, 13 has 1, 2, 3. So obviously 7 is the most liked number. We're going to go back here. 7 is the most liked number. That's our answer for this one. There we go. Then we can box it. Next, what is the difference between the greatest number, not numbers, and the least number on the plot? So if you go back here, you see we have 13 as our greatest number, 4 is our least number. So you're trying to find the difference between those. So try it out. Okay, assuming you tried it out, let's see if you got it right. So you had 13 and 4. So what we will do is we're just going to go here and then subtract those. 13 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So we send 1 from 3, it becomes 13. Cross this out. So it's pretty much the same problem. 13 minus 4 is 9. So that's our answer. 9 is the difference. There we go. Okay, and now we have one last problem. What is the outlier? So, let's go back and let's find the outlier. So, most of our numbers are, most people like the numbers from 4 to 9. And then right here, at 13, we have 3. We have 1, 2, and 3. 3 people that like 13. So, because 13 is the most different out of all of these, 13 is gonna be our answer. 13 is the outlier. So, now you guys, let's check if you got your right. So, if you got your answers right. So, how many people were part of the survey? Did you get 16? If you did, great job. That's the answer. If you didn't, it's okay. Just keep practicing. You'll get it at some point. Now, what is the most liked number? Did you get 7? Well, if you did, great job. That's the right answer. If you didn't, again, it's okay. Now, what is the difference between the greatest number and the least number on the plot? 9 is the difference. If you got 9, great job. That's the right answer. Finally, what is the outlier? If you got 13, great job. That's the answer. So, if you got all of those right, good job. If you didn't, it's okay. Just comment down how many you got right. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing and keep watching our videos. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell for more updates on our videos.